I'm Lalita Ahuja on behalf of SN College of Nursing, the place to learn skills for the real world. So students, how are you? I'm quite fine and I hope you are also sailing in the same boat, right? So students, in my previous lecture, I told you I will provide you some classes related to personality development, communication skill, body language, and how to be a confident and optimistic personality, right? So I am here with your new lesson, that is types of friends. Yes, I hope you all have so many friends, right? Of course, friends play a significant role in our life, right? But in our life, we face many types of people. Sometimes we face good friends, sometimes we face bad friends. Agree with me? But how we can analyze them? These are good or these are bad. How we can analyze and how we can represent them. So in today's lesson, I want to share some phrases related to friends that would help you to explain your friends. How you can explain with the help of these phrases, you can explain easily which type of friends you have. So are you ready, all of you? So let's get started. First one that I have for you, BFF. Now what does it mean? BFF means best friend forever. Best friend forever. Now this word mostly we see on Facebook. Most of the people, when they upload their video or when they upload their picture, they always use this word, me and my FBB. Now most of the people, they can't understand that what does it mean. So it means best friend forever. So who are best friend forever? Which we have good relationship and which person is a versatile, reliable personality. Reliable means bharosemand, truthful personality. And of course, if a person that is reliable, truthful, then we make relationship with them forever. So these type of person, these type of friends we have BFF, like best friend forever. Got it? So moving on, next word that I have for you, best mate. Now what does it mean? Best mate. Mate is a slang word, okay, which means best friends. Mate refers to best friends. Mate is a slang word and we always use this sentence that he is my best friend or he is my best friend. Agree with me? But rather than you can use she is my best friend or he is my best friend, you can use new word that is best mate. Best mate means again best friends. Got it? I hope you are clear. Both types of friends, BFF and best mate. Third one that I have for you, buddy. Now what does it mean? Buddy again is a slang word and we are always use this word, this is my best buddy, she is my best buddy. Now what does it mean? Buddy means, again it is a slang word and it is mainly used in United States. Is that clear? In foreign culture, they don't use she is my best friend or he is my best friend. They always use he is or she is my best buddy. So buddy is a slang word. Rather than you can use she is my best friend or he is my best friend, you can use impressive word, foreigner word, that is buddy. Buddy means best friend. Got it? Number 4, that is close friends. Yes. Now tell me, who are close friends which we have good relationship with them? And in our life, we all have one close friend. With close friend, we share our things, our feelings with them. Now these are good. These have a good relationship with you. That's why they are called close friends. Now close friends are, now they have inner circle about your friends. Got it? With close friends, you can share your feelings, you can share your things. That's why they are close friends, right? So close friends means who are really close to you and who are the nice and who are the a part of a circle in your friendship. Got it? So next one, close friends, a person who are really close to you, that is your close friend. Got it? So childhood friends. What does it mean? Childhood friends. And we always use this word. She is my childhood friend, he is my childhood friend. Now tell me, who are childhood friends? Childhood friends, when we were in small age, since we were friends, now we also have a good relationship with him or her. That is childhood friend. Got it? Next, family friends. Childhood friends, a person who is very close to you, in sense your small age. When you were in small age, since you have friendship and now you have also good relationship with him or her, that is your childhood friend. Got it? So next one that I have for you, family friends. Now who are family friends? Suppose that a person which you have good relationship with you, as well as he or she has good relationship with your family. Yes, he is very close to you with your family and with you. That is your family friend. Now who is your family friend? A person who is very close with you and your family. That is your family friends. So these 6 are phrases you can use with your good friends. Got it? So we always listen this word BFF, best mate, best friend, buddy, close friends, childhood friends, family friends. So these are good friends. Now I would like to explain some casual friends. Now who are casual friends? Casual friends means which person we have only relationship with profession, related to profession. We don't know about him or her more and we don't have more relationship with him or her. That is our casual friends. Now how we can explain our casual friends? I would like to share with you some phrases related to casual friends. Now who are casual friends? Let's have a look at. First one that I have for you, pample. Or another one is keeper. What does it mean? type of friends, they are casual. Okay, so pen pal is a friend of yours with whom you communicating through writing. Suppose that I have my e-pal friend or pen pal friend. I always converse or I always connect with him or her through letter or email. So most of the people now they prefer e-pal friends. They always talk professionally. They always like to connect with her or him with the help of e-pal. So e-pal friends or pen pal friends, who are they are when we connect with a person who is, that is our pen pal friend. Got it? Who are pen pal or e-pal friends? Most of the people in our profession, they like converse to each other through writing, and now they like letter. They don't like letter writing. Rather than they use email, e-pal or pen pal. So got it? What does it mean? Second one, acquaintance. Now what does it mean? Acquaintance. Acquaintance is someone who you know very little. We don't have more information about this person. So this type of person, you have acquaintance friend. We know only through our work, our profession. We have relationship with him or her related to our profession. We don't know about him or her. We have only little information about that person. That is your acquaintance friend. So acquaintance means a person whom you have only little information about him or her. So understand, two type of casual friends. Pen pal. Pen pal means when we connect with a person through writing. That is our pen pal like friend. And acquaintance, when a person who have a person we don't know about him. We have only little information regarding this person. This type of person we have acquaintance type of friend. So next one, colleague. So who are colleagues? Colleague is a fellow worker or co-worker, is your friends. It means a person whom you work with you, but he is not your close friends. You don't have more information or you don't close with that person. That type of person is a colleague like of friend. Understand? Who are colleagues? Who that person who you are work with you, that is your colleagues, and we don't have more relationship with that person, that is your colleagues. Got it? Next, classmate. So colleague, a person who works with you, that is your colleague. And classmate, we always use this word, she is my classmate or he is my classmate. Classmate is a person with whom when you went to school and went to school with him or her, and you go to college with him or her, and you are in the same class, then he is your classmate. Understand? And classmate means a person who is studying with you, that is your classmate. Next, flatmate. So flatmate again is a slang word. Flatmate again is a slang word, and this word mainly used in UK in British and USA in American English, which means your roommate. Here we simply use he is my roommate, he is my roommate. But in UK or American English, if we want to represent a person that is your roommate, how they can explain? They explain he is my flatmate or he is my roommate. So understand what does it mean? Flatmate means roommate, and rather than you can use roommate, you can use new word that is flatmate. If you will use some impressive words, you can extend your vocabulary easily. And if we have only simple words to speak, then we can't extend our vocabulary. So I would like to request you, now you are at home, you have lots of time, so you should know about more and more new impressive words. So with the help of these words, you can extend your vocabulary easily. Got it? So next one that I have for you, fair weather friends. So these are casual friends. Now I would like to explain some enemy friends. As we all know that in our life we don't face good friends, not always bad friends. Understand? So we have already done good friends, casual friends. Now who are enemy friends? So first one, fair weather friends. Now who are fair weather friends? Fair weather friend means selfish type of person. When you are giving something to that person, he is happy or she is happy, and when the moment in your life is always good, then they always stand with you. But up and downs, it's a nature. When in your life you have some difficulties, they disappear. They will be gone. They will not stand with you. Understand? So these type of person we can explain with the help of phrase that he or she is like a fair weather friend. And in today's era, we all have some fair weather friends. When they need, they always talk with us, otherwise they always refuse us. And this type of person called fair weather friends. So fair weather friend means some selfish person. Got it? So last one that I have for you, free enemy. So what does it mean, free enemy? This is a new word for you, right? Now what does it mean? Which means someone who is your enemy, but in front of you, he or she always show that he is or she is your sweet friend, and she is or he is your well-wisher. She loves you, likes you a lot, but behind you, they always criticize you, backbiting you. That type of friends, free enemy friends. So free enemy friends like fake friends. They are not straightforward. Straightforward means they are not able to say in front of you anything. They always speak behind you and they always criticize you, and in front of you they always show that they are your sweet friends. So these type of friends are called free enemy friends. So I hope these type of phrases are clear to you, and now you can analyze your friend, which type of friend you have, and you can use these phrases also to explain your friends. Got it? So I would like to request you, please be with us, because we have lots of session for you that would make your life much better. Thank you. All the best.